guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do this eyeshadow look, so go ahead and stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my Celestial Thunder palette, and I'm going to grab the color Storm Dust. And this is going to kind of be like our transition color, so go ahead and just place it a little bit higher than your actual crease. Next, I'm going to grab my Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and we're going to grab this dark chocolate brown. And you're going to basically put this color slightly under the previous color, but just kind of blend everything together. Okay, now to start our cut crease, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Stay Assurance concealer, and then I'm going to put that on the back of my hand first. And then you could go ahead and grab any flat brush. Try for it to be like a small skinny one so you're more precise and have more control over where you're putting the product. So then I'm going to go ahead and put some product on the brush, and then just go ahead and place it on your eyelid. You don't have to be perfect at this point. And then a trick I like to do is I kind of like to roll my eyes, and then wherever the concealer transfers to, you're going to follow that guideline. I do this because sometimes when you put eyeshadow on your eyelid throughout the day, it kind of transfers like into your crease. So then by doing this, it'll just kind of flow together and it won't look weird. So then just go ahead and follow the guideline, and then slowly bring down the product as you go. So now for the winged part of our cut crease, you're going to go ahead and draw a straight line coming from the end of your eyebrow towards your eye. And then once you have your line, go ahead and bring down the concealer. After you bring it down, we're going to go ahead and connect the line we just made to our actual cut crease. And I try to make this line as straight as possible. And then you're going to go ahead and just pat the concealer into place so that it's all one color. Now I'm grabbing my Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette by Lunar Beauty, and I'm grabbing the color Kiki, and we're going to put this in the inner half of our cut crease. And you're just going to try to pack on this color as much as you can. Since it is pretty light, it takes a couple coats to get the right opacity. Next, we're going back to the Celestial Thunder palette, and I'm going to grab this color called Mystic Eyes. Go ahead and pack this color in the middle of our cut crease towards the end, and try to blend the colors as much as you can. Now I'm grabbing the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the color Busted. This is going to be the last shade of blue that we use in our cut crease. So go ahead and just fill out what's left of the cut crease and try to focus on the sharp line and not so the bottom, because we're going to clean it up anyway. So now I'm grabbing a makeup wipe just to kind of clean it all up. I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line with the makeup wipe from the corner of my eyes to the end of my eyebrow to wing out the eyeshadow. So after I clean it up, I'll go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup, and then I'm going to grab this Storm Dust color again, and we're going to go ahead and put this color on our lash line. I don't really like a lot of eyeshadow on my lower lash line, so I just kind of do a flush of this color. And then if I feel I put too much of that eyeshadow, I'll go ahead and grab the powder I used for under my eyes and I'll blend that out. So now we're going to go ahead and use this eyeliner from CoverGirl, and I'm going to go ahead and start by drawing a straight line across my eye, and then since we did clean up our eyeshadow, drawing the wing is pretty easy. So just draw the line following the eyeshadow and bring down the line. And I like to make this line as straight as possible, not really curving it so that it elongates the eye. So I couldn't find my eyelash glue, so I'm going to use this super glue that I just found. Just kidding, here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and place them on my eye to see if I need to cut off any extra length. And oh my god, they are huge! But let's give it a try. So I cut off what I needed to cut off, and now I'm putting a thin line of glue. So while the glue dries, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this MAC lip liner in the color Cork. And I'm also going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Dolce K. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and go ahead and leave a comment down below on what kind of eyeshadow look you want to see next time. And thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!